Just by me looking at this from like years of experience, creating profiles for myself, for my clients, for my friends, I wouldn't have this on the profile. Why? Because it's a dark background. Women are already paranoid about catfishes, serial killers, all this stuff. So you don't want to give her any reason to think that. And a dark background on a dark road, all right, is just not good. You're not smiling, you have a leather coat. I'm just being honest, all right? I'm just being brutally honest. So I'm working with what I got. I will use this photo and I will see what it's gonna do, but I won't have it in the first photo. I'll have it somewhere probably last. This, all right, is a cool photo. The only thing is he's kind of not showing his face. The background is cool. Style, he has some jewelry on. He has a good sense of, you know, fitted and matching clothing. So, but I will crop this a little better. So I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna grace over a little editing, make some images pop out and demonstrate specific things. But I'll definitely probably have this at ranking number 1 or 2. They're barely gonna go through your whole profile. They're gonna look at the first image. Sometimes that's the only image they're looking at. If they're on a rejection momentum, right? So say if they swipe, left, or they don't like the guy, right? They're gonna swipe left on another guy, swipe left on another guy, swipe left, swipe left, swipe left. You build that momentum. So if she sees a photo that's not that good looking, you're going to be a part of that momentum. So it's important to have your most attractive, your most valuable, the best picture first.